Are you tired of using generic AI assistants that don't meet your specific needs? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to dive into the world of custom GPTs, or generative pre-trained transformers, and show you exactly how to build your own AI assistant using ChatGPT. With this powerful tool, you can create a tailor-made AI that understands your workflow, automates repetitive tasks, and even helps you make decisions. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to create a ChatGPT account if you haven't already. This will give you access to the ChatGPT platform, where you can build, train, and deploy your custom GPT. Head over to chat.openai.com and sign up for an account. It's free, and you can start building right away. Once you're logged in, click on the Create a New Model button. Now, let's talk about the different types of custom GPTs you can build. With ChatGPT, you can create a GPT that's specifically designed for tasks like data analysis, content creation, or even customer